And what's up mga kalalabs? Hi, hello, and babuhay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So ayan, after a remarkable few months of hiatus, I am finally back. Pero hindi po as a live streamer or a media partner sa mga barangayan trans pageantry na meron tayo lately at sa mga susunod pa na mga araw at buwan. Kasi itong video na ito, I think this is the very first time na gagawin ko siya. Although, matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. Talagang takot lang ako na gawin ito kasi baka ang maging labas ko ay basher. But, yeah, for my comeback, feeling mo talaga kaabang-abang. No, for this content, I want to be your new pageant critique. But for this video, I won't focus on negative side kasi sabi nga nila, if you're a pageant critic, dapat balance ang negative and balance ang positive at the same time negative, pero magfo-fall dapat yung negative sa constructive criticism. So, yun ang iiwasan natin, di ba, para hindi maging basher ang ating labas. And for this very first type of content na i-upload ko, syempre malapit ng Miss International Queen Philippines. Sa talagang inaabangan at balita ko ay ngayong July na gaganapin ang Grand Coronation Night sa MOA Arena, and balitaan ko din na free ang admission ng tickets, so anyone can come. Let's support our very own Masterpiece himself, Mr. Tay Endian, siya the owner of Philippine franchise for Miss International Queen Philippines. Okay? Now, ang ating unang bibigyan ng comment or feedback, ito talaga ang pinaka. Siya talaga ang nambulabog this year's edition. No? Or kung hindi man siya, one of the ladies na talagang nambulabog this year's edition of Miss International Queen Philippines 2025, at walang iba yon kundi si Miss Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz. May Diaz yata talaga yung real name niya, so yun yung ginagamit niya, pero nung nagpa-pageant siya, Ann Patricia Lorenzo ang kanyang ginagamit, and the name that synonymous to determination, beauty, and talent. Alam niyo yung tatlong yan, meron siya ng tatlo na yan. Kaya kung gusto niyo kung gusto niyo pakinggan ang video na ito, so make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel kasi hindi ko sure kung i-upload ko sa aking Facebook page, at I'm not giving anyone's permission, although alam ko namang wala, not giving anyone's permission to re-upload this content. Mamatay na. Charot. Ang bad, no? Ang bad. Today, it's Sunday. Galing pa ako nagsimba. Pero, please do not re-upload this video sa mga ibang platform. Dito lang sa YouTube. So, Miss Ann Patricia Lorenzo, alam naman natin na 2 beses siya nag-runner-up sa magkaibang season ng Miss International Queen Philippines. At siya din po ang kauna-unahang trans beauty queen na nakapag-uwi ng corona from Miss Equality World, where she placed first runner-up. And she's a TV host. Alam naman natin yun na minsan natin siya napanood sa H Showtime as a TV host sa online segment yata. Pero doon ko siya nakita ko at hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag doon. So with all those achievements, I must say that Ann Patricia Lorenzo had already proven herself on a global stage. Kaya I must say na this year is her year, kasi I witnessed some of her barangayan pageant stints before, and from there until now, she has shown enormous changes And if I were to describe Anne Patricia Lorenzo in three words, is that disciplined, determined, and divine. But what's even more impressive than her pageant history is Anne Patricia Lorenzo's metamorphosis. She, from weight loss to glowing skin, she's transformed her physique, di ba? And she sharpened her communication skills, which is a true testament to the words disciplined and determination to win the crown. Kasi kung napastok kayo sa kanyang Facebook post noon, mga videos na ina-upload niya noon, makikita natin yung kanyang effort talaga. Sa first season pa lang ng Miss International Queen Philippines, andun na yung kanyang nagpapayat siya. She underwent intense proper diet, gym, and speech coaching to improve communication skills. Meron siyang, hindi ko lang maalala kung lawyer yung kanyang pinost na naging communication skills coach niya. Tapos sa kanyang pasarela, nag-train siya under, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, pero sikat si yung long hair na queen maker din ng mga Miss Universe Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas. Basta, grabe yung kanyang effort, all leading up to this moment, her third attempt at the crown. I believe she's not just competing for Miss International Queen Philippines, she's proving that hard work, determination, and dedication, anything is possible. And this queen deserves the crown. Sabi ko nga, kung ako may-ari ng Miss International Queen Philippines, in-appoint ko na lang si Miss Anne Patricia Lorenzo. For sure, hindi tayo mapapahiya na siya ang mag-represent ng Philippines sa Miss International Queen stage sa Thailand. So, I'm very excited what she has to offer for this year's edition. For sure, for someone like her na ang dami na napatunayan, 'di ba? Kahit naman siguro tayo, ang dami na natin napatunayan, hindi tayo papayag na yung napatunayan natin is tatapatan lang natin. For sure, lalampasan niya pa yon. Kaya I'm very excited for her journey. All out support for Miss International Queen Philippines Manila, Miss Anne Patricia Lorenzo. Siya lang yata ang nag-iisang representative ng Manila ngayon. At so far, every year pasabog ang candidate ng Manila. Hindi na uubusan ng maganda ang City of Manila when it comes to beauty queen. Kaya, congrats in advance, Miss Anne Patricia Lorenzo. I wish you all the best sa journey mo na ito, and hoping na this time aayon ang stars sa journey mo for Miss International Queen Philippines 2025. And thank you very much mga kalalabs for watching this video. This is just a very random video na naisip ko lang. Then gumawa lang ako ng some words kasi ayoko naman mawala ako sa gusto kong sabihin, sa gusto kong ipabatid o ipahatid sa inyo sa video na ito. Kaya thank you very much kung nakaabot ka sa part ng video na ito. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to share this to your friends. Do not re-upload but share. And see you on my next video mga kalalabs. Bye for now. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Versem Paulos Gonzalez, and TikTok at Versem, and then YouTube channel Versem Paulos Gonzalez. Thank you and bye for now.